Namaskar and good morning. Children, before we start our lesson, I would like to ask you one question. તમને બધાને વર્ચ્યુઅલ ક્લાસમાં ભણવું ગમે છે? Yes, children? Speak little louder. તમારો બધાનો અવાજ મારી સુધી પહોંચવો જોઈએ. Are you enjoying virtual class? Yes. Children, we are learning Unit 2 with more fun, having different activities, video clips and interesting stories. તમને બધાને લિસન અને ડ્રો એક્ટિવિટીઝમાં મજા આવી હતી? I know you all enjoyed. કારણ કે ઘણી બધી સ્કૂલોમાંથી આ એક્ટિવિટીઝના ચિત્રો અમારી પાસે પહોંચ્યા છે. Let me show you. Yes, children. તમને બધાને પોતાની ફોટોઝ જોવાની મજા આવી હશે. આ જ રીતે અન્ય સ્કૂલ્સ પણ અધર એક્ટિવિટીઝની ફોટોઝ અમને મોકલશે તો અમે ચોક્કસથી બતાવીશું. Children, after listen and draw activities, આપણે આપણી પ્રોફાઇલ લખતા શીખ્યા હતા and સાથે સાથે we learned birthday song. આપણે બર્થડે સોંગ શીખ્યા એ પછી કોનો બર્થડે આવી ગયો? મને ખાતરી છે તમે એ જ રીતે બર્થડે સોંગ ગાઈને સેલિબ્રેશન કર્યું હશે. And how can we forget the story of very greedy king Midas? Today again we are going to listen a very interesting story of Gopal. Today Diptiben is going to tell story 7 at 1 blow with the help of pictures. Children, listen it carefully and enjoy.
Children, look at the first picture. Once upon a time, there lived a boy named Gopal. Gopal liked to eat jalebis. Do you like to eat jalebis? Children, juicy jalebis. Do you like it? I liked it very much. Gopal bought jalebis from the shop. He put them in a dish. Look here in the second picture. Gopal put jalebis in a dish. But at that time, some flies came. Flies buzzing over the jalebis. Gopal didn't like. He became angry. He shouted, "Go away, dirty flies! Go away, dirty flies!" But flies didn't go. Children, look at the third picture. Gopal became angry. So, he killed 7 flies at one blow. He killed 7 flies at one blow. He said himself, "Oh, I am the brave boy. I have killed 7 at a blow." Children, now what happened? People heard about him. Also, the king heard about him. So, look in this 4th picture. The king called the Gopal. And king asked him, "Gopal, did you kill 7 at a blow?" Gopal said, "Yes, your majesty, I killed 7 at a blow." Then king said to him, "Listen, in our kingdom there are 2 cruel giants. I hope you will kill them." Gopal asked, "Did anybody try to kill them?" King said, "Yes, many people tried to catch or kill them, but they failed. I hope you will do it, and I will give you a rich reward." Gopal knew that he was not able to kill the giants, but people had a great hope for him. What can he do now? He thought for a long time. Then he decided to search the giants. He went out of the city. He wandered here and there. He roamed in mountains and valleys. Then he went to the forest. In a forest, he found 2 cruel giants. He was scared. He hid himself behind the tree. He found that I am not able to kill the giants. What can I do? He thought for a while. Now look at this picture. What did Gopal do? He picked up some stones and threw on the giants. After some time, one giant got up. The first one said, "You hit me with the stone." The second one said, "No, I didn't." But first one said, "No, you did. You threw stones at me." Then they fought fiercely and killed each other. Children, I hope you have enjoyed the story. The same story is given in your textbook. It is in activity 3. In your textbook, open the page number 16. Now I am reading the story. You have to listen attentively, because while I am reading the story, I will drop some words. બાળમિત્રો, વાંચન કરતી વખતે કેટલાક શબ્દો હું નહીં વાંચું. જે શબ્દ વાંચવાનો રહી જાય તેની નીચે તમારે અંડરલાઈન કરવાની છે. વાંચન પૂરું થશે એટલે રહી ગયેલા શબ્દો વિશે હું તમને જરૂરથી પૂછીશ. તો ધ્યાનપૂર્વક સાંભળજો. Activity 3. Read and enjoy. 7 at 1 blow. Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Gopal. He liked jalebis very much. One day, he bought some fresh jalebis. He put them in a dish. After a while, he saw buzzing over the jalebis. "Go away, dirty flies!" he shouted. But they didn't. He killed 7 flies at 1 blow. He said to himself, "Wow! 7 at 1 blow! I am very brave." The king heard about Gopal. He called him and said, "Gopal, you are a brave boy. Did you really kill 7 at a blow?" Gopal said, "Yes, Your Majesty, I did." The king said, "You know, there are 2 cruel giants in our kingdom. They trouble people. There is no one to catch or kill them." Gopal asked, "Did anyone try to catch them before?" The king replied, "Yes, many people tried, but they failed. You are brave. You killed 7 at a time. There are only 2. Kill them and I will give you a rich reward." Gopal knew he was not able to or kill giants. But the king and the people had high hopes from him. He thought for a long time. Then he went out in search of the giants. He wandered here and there. He roamed in the mountains and valleys, but he failed. After some days, he was going through the forest. He saw the giants there. They were under a tree. Gopal was scared. He said to himself, "Oh, the giants are really huge. They look too. The task is really tough. I can't fight with them." He thought for a while. "I will try," he said to himself. He threw some stones at them.